Hey everyone, how you doing? God bless you all. I hope you're having a lovely day. I'm gonna do a Bible study of Genesis. It's in the first chapter of the Bible, and this is where God created everything on this earth. And I really wanted to share with you guys. If you'd like, you can read with me or you can listen to my voice. I don't mind. So, in the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. The earth was formless and empty, and darkness covered the deepest waters, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the surface of the water. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. And God said, "I saw the light was good." Then He separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day and the darkness night. And evening passed and morning comes, marking the first day. Then God said, "Let there be a space between the water, to separate the waters of the heavens from the water of the earth." And that is what happened. God made this space to separate the water of the earth from the water of the heavens. God called the sky, and evening passed and morning comes, making the second day. Then God said, "Let the waters breathe the sky flow together into one place." So dry ground may appear. And this is what happened. I'm up to Genesis 10 now. God called Genesis 1:10. God called the dry ground land and the waters sea. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let the land soup with vegetation, every sort of seed bearing fruit plant, and tree that grows seed bearing fruit. These seeds will then produce the kinds of plants and trees from which they come." And that is what happened. The land produced vegetables, all sorts of seed bearing plants and trees with seeds bearing fruit, and seed products, plants and trees of the same kind. And God saw that it was good. And evening passed and morning come, marking the third day. So God created the trees, the fruit were growing on the tree. And then God said, let light appear in the sky, to separate the day from the night. Let them be signs to mark the season, days, and years. Let these lights in the sky shine down on earth. And that is what happened. God made two great lights, the large one to govern the day, and the smallest one to govern the night. He also made the stars. God set these light in the sky to light the earth, to govern the day and night, and to separate the light from the darkness. And God saw that it was good. And evening passed and morning come, making the fourth day. Then God said, let the water swarm with fish and other life. Let the sky be filled with birds of every kind. So God created great sea. He created and every living thing that swim and swam in the water. Means God created everything on the land and in the water. And every sort of bird. Each product a production offspring of the kind, some kind, and God saw that it was good. Then God blessed them, saying, be fruitful and multiply. Let the fish fill the sea, and let the birds multiply on the earth. And evening passed and morning come, making the fifth day. Not to Genesis 1:24. Then God said, let the earth produce every sort of animal, each producing offspring of the same kind, livestock, small animals that scatter along the ground, and wild animals. And that is what happened. God made all sorts of wild animals, livestock, and small animals. So God created big animals and small ones, each available to produce offspring of the same kind, and God saw that it was good. Then God said, let us make human beings in our image to be like us. They will region over the fish in the sea, the birds in the sky, the livestock, all the wild animals on earth, and the small animals that scurry along the ground. So God created a human being in his own image. In the image of God he created them, male and female he created them. Then God blessed them and said, be fruitful and multiply, fill the earth, govern it, region over the fish in the sea, the birds in the sky, and all the animals that scatter along the ground. Wow. Then God said, look, I have given you every seed bearing plant throughout the earth, and all the fruits for your food. And I have given every green plant as food for all the wild animals, the birds in the sky, and the small animals that scattered along the ground. Everything that has life, and that is what happened. Then God looked over all he had made, and he saw that it was good. And evening passed, and the morning comes, mark the sixth day. Well, God is the God of love, and he created this earth. He created you and me right now. So I want you to know that you are loved, because God loves you all so much. And yeah, that was Genesis 1. I hope you enjoyed me reading the word to you. God bless you all, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you all.